Ini ang quarter 3, week 3. So, may 8 na subjects. Inutantaan AP. Ang AP gamit ang LAS or Learning Activity Sheet. So, ini manungod sa pag-aadal sa pisikal na kapalibutan. So it's about how you study or how is your study habit despite what is happening around us. Okay, so isurat, mas maray po isurat sa first page ang pangaran. So ini may dating parts. So si layunin, then si mga concepts or the kabalinaan talasalitaan. Tapos, sa gibuhon 1, i-drawing mo sulagan ka sa imong lugar adalan sa harong. So, the place where you study, so try to illustrate and then color it. Tapos, sigwang dikit na input. Then, sa gibuhon 2, bilogan and 4 na razones or 4 reasons na nakakaribaraw sa pagkanod. Ano yung mga nakakaistorbo while you answer your module or while you study at home? So, magpili dyan ng 4. So, digdi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, siguro kung si teacher, digdi ma-answer din. Ako gusto ko din mag-answer. And then, gibuhon 3, magtawnin sa sarong sitwasyon sa imong kapalibutan na nakaka-apekto sa imong pagkanuod. So, ano to si present situation sa harong nindo o sa lugar nindo kung saan naapektuhan ang pag-aadal. It affects how you study or even your study habits. Tapos, epekto, anong nangyayari sa pag-aaral nyo because of this situation. And then, gibuhon 4, sa gibuhon 4 naman, i-drawing sa laogan pusoan sa imong harong, saka sa palibot kay ni i-drawing man ang duwang bagay na nakakatabang sa imong pag-adal. So, just as an illustration of your home, of your house, and then around anywhere around this heart na nakakatabang sa imong pag-adal. Ayun po. So, pag sinabing bagay, ano kay niyo, synonym ni, pwedeng 2 reasons that helps you in studying. So, pwedeng person, pwedeng object, or pwedeng pangyayari. Then, gibuhon 5, maghapot sa imong mga tukang upinsan kung ano ang tulong bagay na ginigibon nila para dai maapektuhan kan kapalibutan sa pag-adal. So, ano yung mga tips ng mga pinsan o kapatid mo na nag-aaral din para makapagpatuloy pa rin ang pag-aaral na kahit na may mga nakakaistorbo sa paligid. And then, gibuhon 6, pusoan ng litrato na nakakatabang sa imong pagkanod as in ikisin man an marigbok. So, there are 6 pictures. If possible, make use of crayons na para halata ang answer nyo. So, heart mismo sa picture or X. And then, gibuhon 7, isurat sa gurit ang numero ang check me kung ang sitwasyon nakakatabang sa pagkanood if it helps you in studying in XF na sa 1 to 5. So that's it for AP. Next one, unahin ko muna yung mga kay Teacher Melet na subjects. For ESP naman, so maugma ako sa trayon po kan iba, humildi ako sa pagpapahunod iyo ang dapat ipasunod. So being happy in other success, tapos pagiging humble. Ano po? So, this is from Camarines Sur kasi hanggang module 2 lang nahanap namin from Naga City. So, kahit na this is from Camsur, so still with the same most essential learning competencies. So, yan ang introduction, layunin, first activity. So, yan. Hilingan at tatara mo na pwede mong mamatian kung nag-try yung sa imong pamilya o kaklase. Halimbawa, nagka-award si kuya o kaya may prize ang kaibigan mong natanggap. Ano ang namamatayan mo pagkaara, you feel envious or kaugmahan, happiness, inspiration, o you feel inspired, hambog, parang you feel proud of yourself. Ayun po. So bako nitong hambog na lying, kundi itong hambog na mayabang. Okay. Next, pagpahiwas kan kaaraman sa gibuhon 1. Ang gigibuhon po digdi, the in-edit, sorry. Pakila na lang either bilugan or just the letter beside each number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And then, pagpapararom, this is the discussion part. So, I will discuss this more pag sa lesson video. Isa puso, i-drawing ang puso, kan pangusap nagpapagirumdom nin pagkahumili, pagiging humble, sa kabituon, star, kung nagpapagirumdom nin pagkapapahunod. Pag sinabi pagpapahunod, yung you give others chance, you let them also try, hindi lang puro ikaw. Okay. Yung parang may pinapauna ka, hindi yung ikaw, ako ang mauuna. Yan. So, heart or star. And then, this is a picture of a sheep. So, na nagsisimbolo ng pagiging mabuot, pagkapahunod, saka humilde. So, aragan sarong tupa, gusto mo magkaigwakan katangian na inihulitaan ng mga reasons. Bakit gusto mong maging kagaya nito na mabait, humble, so hindi yung mayabang, tapos pagpapahunod yung hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka selfish. Okay, sa buhay, so ayan, igadigding question, and then may parang explanation about bowing down, and then pangaji, so I'll read this to you during the lesson video, and then ananodan mo, isurat ang digdi po sa module na ni check kung ano pangusap nagsasabi ng tama, saka X kun sala, and then dagdag ng gibuhon, bilugan ang letra sa imong sibag from among A, B, or C. So this is numbers 1 to 5. Okay, let's proceed with the subjects under me. With English, so this is about the magic of words. So my introduction and then the target. So simply, the lesson is about using words related to self, family, school, community. Simply the familiar words that is used to tell about yourself, family, school, and then community. Thus, may vocabulary. It happens that there are more than 3. Then warm up. If in case the pictures here are not clear, just refer to this video. So encircle the letter. So you just tell the word for each of the object. And then 4 and 5, it's more of how it's more about the correct term for the place being described. And then discussion yan. And then finger family song. Yung ano to? Father finger, where? Tama ba? Where are you? Ano yan? Parang sa Pink Fong yata tong kanta na to. Okay, tapos oral lang to. Oral lang na answering. And then yan, so the terms used, the words used in the family, so you have to match them. Tapos parang reflection na din yon of how you find the activity, and then practice tasks. There's a short story, and then comprehension check. So encircle the letter. If it's A, B, or C, it's from number 1 until number 5. For practice task 2, so yan, words naman related to school. So kanina related to family, related to self. This one is related to school. And then encircle those words related to school. So for number 1 until number 5, choose one word for each item. Tapos naman, other words. And then, this one is about words related to community. So, palaki ng palaki ang scope. So, there are pictures. If in case these are not clear, you can refer to this introduction. And then, parang summary. And then, last part, cooling down. So, choose the letter. You just encircle or write the letter before each number. And then, learning challenge. Parang ano to, karagdagang gawain. So, yan ang counterpart ng sa Filipino. Tapos, you can think of words related to self, family, school, and then community. So, by referring to this heading, yan mga main, yung mga title, kumbaga. And then, you give examples here. You have to provide 3 for each group. And then, the last part, so parang summary of what is this module all about. Okay, next sa mother tongue naman. So this is last. If you notice, this is from Camarines Sur Division because the MTB for this week was given or was released late na kung saan we will be using this and for release today. Nakuha namin today din yung Naga City. So we opted for this most available na module. Okay, so or last learning activity sheet. So pero pareho din ang mga topics. So the topic is interpret a pictograph. Yan, may review. Tapos may aadalan. So this is a pictograph, example of a pictograph. And then from that pictograph, you have to answer these questions by encircling the letter of your answer. Tapos yan, parang may data siya na nakalista na. So at the first glance, kitang-kita na yung result. So you can compare, you can analyze, and you can tell kung ano ba ang result. Tapos yan, explanation, parang discussion about pictograph. Tapos pagtataya, given, here is a pictograph, and then you have to answer the questions from number 1 until number 5. So, provide short answers only. Okay, sunod naman. Ito naman, parang ano siya. Parang ano siya. Parang reflection. So, from number 5, kung naintindihan, and then pababa from until down to 1, yung parang hindi maintindihan, malabo, hindi mo na naintindihan yung buong module. So, this is from Teacher Esperanza A. Parde from Tinambak South District. Okay, next one is Filipino. Filipino naman, salitang pamalit or pronouns of tataramo na pansalida. So, this was discussed already in mother tongue. Okay, so what is this about? Yan, may introduction, layunin, talasalitaan, same parts. So, and then, halos related to sa mother tongue kasi may anak, ako, ikaw, siya. So, you just have to encircle the letter among the choices A, B, and C. Tapos, gawain sa pagkatuto or the discussion, the lesson itself. Tapos yan, may may question and answer, Tapos, may discussion din. So this was images were derived from textbook used noon pa. And then may summary about the lesson, yung use ng each of the pronoun or salitang pamalit. Tapos pagsasanay 1, guhitan, underline, whatever that will complete the sentence correctly. Pagsasanay 2 naman, you have to write the answer on the blank among the choices. Ako, ikaw, sila, siya, kayo, at tayo. And then pagsasanay 3 naman, piliin ang salitang pamalit sa ngalan ng tao sa bawat bilang at gamit ito sa sariling pangusap, bilugan ang tamang sagot. So, after you have chosen the salitang pamalit, so gagamitin sa sariling pangusap. You just provide lines and then you just use it in short sentences. So, from number 1 until number 6. Then, panapos na pagsubok, buuin ang sumusunod na dialogo, isulat sa puwang or blank ang tamang salitang pamalit sa ngalan ng tao. So, you just complete it by writing the correct pronoun or salitang pamalit. So, it's until number 6. And karagdagang gawain, sumulat ng maikling usapan ng iyong pamilya, gamitin ang ako, ikaw, tayo. Okay, simply, gawa na lang ng parang dalawang speech balloon or parang script na nag-uusap kayo. Ba? Nanay, anak, makikuha, ako na ang magluluto, bilhan mo ako ng asin. So, tapos may reply ka din. So, wherein you have to use any of these pronouns listed down. So, that's it for Filipino. Tapos naman, sunod sa Filipino, PE. For PE, third of the components in MAPE. So, aramon tan hero kan sa tong lawas asin ang gabat kan mga bagay. So, yan. May layunin. Tapos, yan, magabat, magian, heavy or light, free or bound. So, naka-define din. Tapos, bilugan ang ladawan nagpapahiling maluyang hero, slow movement, and ikisan ang marikas an hero, fast na movement. So, among these animals. And the next, ilag sa laogan puso ang mga ladawan na magabat, asin kahunan ang mga bagay na magian. So, heart para sa mga if it looks light or if you've tried, yan, kung mga ladawan na magabat, tapos box naman sa magian. So, you don't need to lift them. So, imagine na lang. So, eto mga tunay ito based on real objects, ang airplane, train, and then bus. Ito naman feather, and then flower. Tapos, for barantala, ganin check and blank kung tama. Asin, ekis kun, sala. Tapos, iniman, check kung kaing gibuhon ang malaya or free movement, asin dai malayang paghiro. Asin ganin ni ekis kun dai kayang gibon. So, tatry muna ito kung nagagawa o hindi. So, check or X. And then, happy or sad face ang mga nanudan. So, kung dai man nanudan, so sad face. So, valid answer. And then, lastly, science, module 2, but this is for week 3. Still about materials, about matter, but this time it's about mass. So, yan. Measuring mass with the help of teacher Leslie. So, beginning with pre-test, same parts. Tapos, part B, arrange the following from lightest to heaviest by listing them on the blank. So, simula sa lightest hanggang sa pabigat na pabigat. So, you have to write the words on the blank. And then, activities. So, may choices na dyan to complete the sentences. Next, explore A, describing matter. So, any empty bag, maski nga, eco bag, and then 5 books, any 5 books, para matry lang kung ito ba ay, for you to describe ang mass by using the words light and heavy. And then you answer the questions here and complete the conclusion. And then explore B, comparing mass based on the pictures given. So, yan. And then don't forget to answer this part. Explore C. Yan, list down the, sa baba ito. So, the weight of the book in apples is blank. So, you have to write the numbers, the number of apples. And then below, you list the materials used here. So, book, table lamp, pencil case, picture. Beginning from the heaviest, pinakamabigat, hanggang pataas, lightest. And then explain where it needs the only short answer for this, only one answer. Only one question. And the discussion, key concepts, tapos apply your learning. Part A, think of 3 things found in your kitchen, draw them according to their mass from heaviest to lightest. So, pili lang ng 3 bagay, yung kaya mong maalsa, mabitbit. So, and so that you can compare, ano yung pinakamabigat sa'yo to lightest. So, 3 bagay lang. Found in the kitchens, and also don't forget to color your drawing. And then part B, among the fruits you have seen, choose 2 which differ in mass. Pwede rin pumili parang 2 most favorite fruits mo. Tapos, you have to draw them on the correct plate. Alin ba doon? Between the 2 that you have chosen, alin ba doon yung mas mabigat? So, where should you place it? So, draw them on proper side of the platform balance to show which is heavier or lighter. And then test yourself. You have to encircle the letter among choices A, B, or C. So, that's until number 3. And then reflect. Just have to write a check if for your answers, yes or no. And then vocabulary, post test, choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the blank for choices A, B, C, D. And then part B, arrange the following from lightest to heaviest. So just write your answer in the box. And for part C, arrange the following from heaviest naman to lightest by writing numbers 1, 2, 3. So I hope you can finish this module week 3 kasi this is only good for 1 week. Okay, and then hindi pala in last. This is the last one. So math module 3, but this is good for 2 weeks. So tama-tama kasi medyo mahaba. There are more than 18 pages yata to. So the topic is about which visualizes, represents, divides the elements of sets into 2 groups of equal quantities to show halves and 4 groups of equal quantities to show fourths. So previously, we discussed half and 1/2 and 1/4 of a whole, but this time it's about sets. 1/2 of a set and then 1/4 of a set. So yan, kaya may hapot ano ang 1/2 kan 12, ano ang 1/4 kan 12. So parang introduction pa lang yan, don't you worry, because I will be providing a lesson video so that you can finish this module in 2 weeks. Ano po? So pre-test. So the copies provided to you some are in black and white pages. So pero yung pag may discussion, colored siya. So yan. So discussion ng 1/2 of a set. So 1/2 kan, bibilangon yan. So bibilangon, 1/2 kan, ini bibilangon, put it on the blank. Tapos ang answer, ano ang kabanga kaining total number? So that will be answered until number 5. Tapos naman, task 2. So this is about 1/4 naman, 1/4 of a set. So kubyuhon naman for this page, 1/4 can, you count them all first, write it on the first blank, tapos sa second blank naman is the answer. Anong 1/4 kaning total number? Okay, so this is until number 5. For task 3 naman, 1/2 of a group. So parang inuna mo na yung 1/2, tapos 1/4, and then another task about 1/2. Yan. Tapos may examples given to you para mas maintindihan. And then isurat sa linya ang nawawarang 1/2 kan bilang asin ang buong bilang. So kung itong 1/2, ilan pa ang 1/2? Tapos ilan lahat pag 1 whole na. So ibig sabihin ito ang 1/2 dahil it needs another 1/2, so anong number yon? And then kapag binuo na, anong number siya? So this is all about 1/2. So madali lang kasi ang 1/2 it means double. The other part, double lang siya. But this time sa part B naman, 1/4. Ibig sabihin sa 1/4 naman, 1 part of 4 parts. So, ulit-ulitin lang. And then 1 whole, you count them all. Yan. Kasi, itong nasa first column, 1/4 pa lang. But how about the other 3 1/4? So, ibig sabihin, uulit-ulitin lang siya. And then, 1 whole, it means the complete set. Yan. And then, visualizes and draws the whole region or set given its 1/2 and or 1/4. So, ibig sabihin, kabaliktaran naman. Ikaw naman ang bubuo ng 1/2, ikaw naman bubuo ng 1/4. Yan. Arin ang 1/2 sa grupo ng mga pato. So, may illustration. This one is printed in colored. Tapos yan, 1/2 kan grupo. So, ano ang kabanga kani? So, you have to count them all first and then find 1/2 of it. So, this is until number 4. And then, for this page, is about 1/4 naman. And then, same, 1/4 kan grupo. So, kung ito hatiin sa 4 na parts, ilan sa bawat group? Or yung pinaliit na group. Okay, so this is until number 4. And then post-test, so pwedeng magguhit, pwedeng magguhit para you would see how it can be divided para maging 1/2, and then how it can be divided para makuha kung ilan ang 1/4 with this 1 whole. Okay, so that is until number 5. And then for part B naman, so, parang hinalo nung dalawang activities doon sa task. So, 1/4 can, blank ay blank. So, ito hatiin mo sa 4. Ilan ang laman sa isang part? Yan. That is for the itong second na blank. Ito naman, 1/2 can blank. Bilangin lahat. Tapos yung answer. That is until number 5. So, don't you worry, even if this is long, this is good for 2 weeks. So that's it. We have a total of 8 subjects. I hope you can submit this week 3 modules on Monday, except for math kasi it will run for 2 weeks para on time pa rin. And then this will be the basis of the attendance kapag on time na magsasubmit and then mag-pick up ng modules. So, goodbye.